My baby ko sweet. Oh, baby. Let's go. Yes, the sun. Why my phone is very dark? What is that? Ah, of course. We're in Greece. I will go there. It's wavy, guys. So laki ng puno. Hanap kami guys ng breakfast.
Let's check if they are open.
Later on.
Thank you.
Yeah, I want the...
Mushroom for you.
Huh?
Mushrooms.
Only mushrooms? Grabe ka naman.
Block of cake for me and that.
So good. Very nice place.
Original thing. Yes, they make one out of some stones.
Ancient, that one?
To show
I
like
thought it's
something.
ancient. Oh my god.
Why is like this? They don't care here. This is very fucking tough.
Let
How
it
looks
go.
like on the board here. Very ugly.
Madami mang complain ng asawa ko.
You are in the right place.
Are you sure this is our port?
I don't know.
Maybe going to Turkey, this one. Bebe. Hello.
Where is our boat?
Bebe, 9 o'clock, Enia. This is, I wake up 5:30 and 9 o'clock pala the boat. What, what kind of talk? What kind of plans is this? 7:30 we reach here and the boat 9 o'clock. Bebe, you know I'm...
And you wake up 4.
5:30. Very difficult to wake you up. You start na naman the walking. We can have breakfast first before walk. Ayan. Ayan, start na naman the walking day.
Shops not must be one who's serving now coffee and if you open like this right now, all the people coming to you.
Yeah, in Philippines we put one table and we offer coffee. Let's go here. They sleeping. In Philippines we start 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock. They already offering coffee, Nescafe. Bayan.
I thought something more. That's all. This is all situation.
Baby, we are in the port, don't worry. This is island port, so it's not like... So marami nang bumababa ng boat. Yeah. I know this is your... Oh, here's the view. I forgot to take photo there. What is this?
This is the Poseidon, right?
Yes.
You know the Poseidon.
Yeah, you know, you remember the Poseidon in Bacolod. When we swim in it's scary, you remember? When we swim there. So we order omelette. Mukhang masarap yung omelette nila dito. May sausage, mushroom, with potato, and bread, of course. Oh, hey. You pray first, baby. Oh, no, you give me this one and you take the fresh. No, I'm just kidding. I will take it. No, I will take it. Guwapo, my baby. Very nice.
They have for us breakfast also there. But only bread and butter.
Where?
In a hotel.
In the hotel?
Yeah.
Hotel?
In our place.
Sus, I don't like to go there.
Why?
Know, very noisy.
No,
In the breakfast, early morning.
Nobody.
Yes, morning.
Very few people come.
So let's have some coffee, guys. Yung asawa ko mag-order ng omelette tapos kala namin kasha. No, you can eat now, bebe.
I'm hungry.
Yes. Bebe, look. We make like this a little Lego because So our vlog. You're very early to be hungry. Oh yeah, dear. Now you eat fufu. Before you cannot eat very nice.
Very nice. Take. You try. I will feed you. Take this bread. Take the bread.
Later. I want to eat first. Oh, why there is cheese inside?
Of course, I ordered the special. Okay.
Sweet naman ng bebe ko. My bebe is very sweet, no? How I find you, bebe, so sweet. Mm.
2 months pabebe I have you. I'll give you 2 months pabebe.
There's na my omelette.
Coming. You said.
Paris to man. Chidem! So good. But we don't have fork. No problem.
What's no problem?
No problem. I will put it in the bread. Why I'm not inside the video? So early hour breakfast.
No.
How many boats na coming? Look, lots of people really.
They coming. They living Calinos. They coming for one day like this, like what we're doing now. You know.
So they have reason to put taverna here. Yeah, because it looks abandoned place, and I thought, yeah, you want? Very soft there. No problem, baby. Later.
I have bread.
Piruni. I speak now in Greek. Piruni parakalo, but it must be Ena. Ena piruni parakalo. Look, my moromo. Oh, my moromo. Too much love. Kanina kami lang yung tao rito. Ngayon, ang dami na. My bebe brings. You have really a luck of bringing people. Maybe you have luck also to bring lots of money.
No, not to my restaurant. To others.
Yeah, to others. Kahit saan kami magpunta, pag andyan yung asawa ko, kami lang yung tao, dumadami yung tao. Maybe only just coincidence, no?
Coincidence, yeah.
No, it's always like this. I notice also.